ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारञ्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। सुप्रभातं भारतीयानां कृते। हाँ। अद्य
Excuse me 1 minute, Ji.
हाँ
When you send the last sloka, you say chanted now, right? For Sanskrit Bhasha. Can you send that in the group so that we can also?
I think it is there in that prarthana. In you have all the class material, no?
Okay.
Not all the slokas. The last one, Namamisam.
I think it should be there. I'll check. I'll check today.
Okay. Thank you.
If it is not there, I'll add it. No problem.
Thank you.
अद्य नूतनः विषयः किमस्ति?
नूतनविषयः नूतन छात्राः।
हरप्रसाद महोदय।
नमस्ते भगिनी।
नमस्ते नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते।
बहुदिनात् अनन्तरम् अत्र आगतवान्।
सम्यक्।
अस्तु। Can you all see the screen?
Yes, we can.
You have learnt Pullinga Shabdas and then Strilinga Shabdas. Do you all remember what you have learnt in the previous classes?
Yes.
Can you give some of the Pullinga Shabdas? Can you say one by one? Haraprasad Mahodaya, Bhavan eva vadatu.
Saha Chamasah.
Saha Chamasah, samyak. Kartik Mahodaya? Kartik Mahodaya, Bhavantamapi aham Lata Kakshayam दृष्टवती। किमर्थं भवान् अत्र आगतवान्?
व्यवस्थितरूपेण संस्कृतं न पठितवान्। तदर्थं किञ्चित् व्याकरणं दोषं बहवः दोषाः भवन्ति।
एवं वा? दोष समीकरणाय
दोषं समीकरणार्थं दृढीकर्तुम् आगतवान्।
सम्यक् सर। इदानीं केचन पुल्लिङ्गशब्दान् वक्तुं शक्यते वा?
बिडाल, सः बिडालः, एषः बिडालः, एषः वृषभः,
अस्तु गायत्री महोदय गायत्री महोदय अस्ति वा अत्र
भगिनी
केचन स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः
स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः एषः लता
एषा
एषा एषा लता एषा नन्दिनी सा सा योगिनी सा विज्ञानिनी
अस्तु अस्तु just to refresh your memory now we are going to deal with napumsakalinga shabdah एतत् व्यजनम् एतत् किम् एतत्
व्यजनम्
व्यजनम् हाँ एतत्
छत्रम्
एतत् छत्रम् एतत् इत्युक्ते nearby whatever object is very close to you napumsakalinga object neuter gender object for that you will say etat that which is a bit far for that you will say tat yeshah saha in pullingam then yesha sa in strilingam here in napumsakalingam it will be etat tat tat kankatam वदतु
is etat nearby or tat nearby
etat is
nearby tat is far
संतोष please tell tat kankatam संतोष महोदय I can't hear you
okay yeah it's tat kankatam
okay etat
kankanam
kankanam
etat kankanam
निर्मल महोदय तत् पर्णम पर्णम
is leaf
leaf रीटा महोदय तत् पुष्पम तत् फलम पद्मा
तत् फलम
विंध्या एतत् वातायनम वातायनम is window
एतत्
वातायनम अलगप्पन एतत् जलम गणेश एतत् वनम फॉरेस्ट एतत् कंदुकम माधवी
एतत् कंदुकम ball
एतत् उद्यानम गार्डन अरुण महोदय एतत्
उद्यानम
मीनाक्षी तत् क्रीडांगणम 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 हीना महोदय तत् संगणकम कंप्यूटर तत्
संगणकम
संगणकम हाँ एतत् उपनेत्रम सुंदरी सुंदरी महोदय एतत् उपनेत्रम
एतत् उपनेत्रम
संदीप महोदय तत् विमानम
तत् विमानम
तत् विमानम दीप्ति तत् नाणकम
तत् नाणकम
सोनल तत् पुस्तकम
तत् पुस्तकम
हाँ वेदार्थम रमेश एतत् मंदिरम
एतत् मंदिरम
निरंजन एतत् सूत्रम
एतत् स्तोत्रम
सूत्रम
सूत्रम
थ्रेड
ओके
हाँ
एतत् सूत्रम
हाँ कल्पना महोदय कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस नीडल कॉल्ड एषा सूची this becomes स्त्रीलिंगम so this is सूची एषा सूची एतत्
सूत्रम
एतत् सूत्रम एषा सूची अन्यः कोऽपि सन्ति वा एनीबडी लेफ्ट आउट
गायत्री
गायत्री
एतत् बिलम
बिलम सम्यक्
मी आल्सो
हाँ प्लीज नेक्स्ट पर्सन तत्
दूरदर्शनम
can you tell me your name
One question.
हाँ
Doordarshanam means TV or a channel?
Television. Doordarshanam is television.
And bilam would be
That whole. Bilam is whole.
okay.
Pruthukam. Huh. What is Pruthukam?
Avalaki.
Avalaki. Yeah. Poha.
What poha?
Beaten rice, flattened rice, beaten rice, something. हाँ, एतत् कृष्णफलकम.
एतत् कृष्णफलकम.
हाँ. What is this here? Chair. What is chair called?
आसन्दः.
आसन्दः. सम्यक्.
एषः आसन्दः.
हाँ. एषा
उत्पीठिका.
उत्पीठिका. सम्यक्. एषा उत्पीठिका. एषः आसन्दः. एतत् कृष्णफलकम. एतत् नक्षत्रम. सम्यक्. हाँ. तत् नेत्रम. ऐ. हाँ. एतत्
हृदयम.
हृदयम. तत्
करवस्त्रम.
What is karavastram?
Handkerchief.
Okay. Huh? So now,
Can I ask a couple of questions, please?
yes, please.
Okay, for pustakam is a napumsakalinga. That's also a word called in Strilinga, pustika.
Pustika is there. That's a small booklet.
Small booklet. Thanks.
Okay. अस्तु. इदानीं
महोदये, there was a homework. स्यूतः. Handbag. Is it धनस्यूतः?
धनस्यूतः money. धनम is money.
Handbag.
It is
Karasutah.
Karasyutah.
Karasyutah.
Skandhasyutah.
Skandhasyutah. You can,
Shoulder bag.
yeah, shoulder bag. If you put it here, then it is
Shoulder.
that's all. Very easy. You can manipulate. Huh?
Nice.
Okay, what is Nadakam?
Huh?
Nadakam. What is
Nanakam. Nanakam is coin.
coin?
Coin. Nanakam. Astu. So we will go to the revision ones. Let us see how much you will be able to answer me. Yes. Are you able to see the screen?
Not
It's
yet.
loading. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
सा का हरप्रसाद महोदय वन बाय वन. हाँ, हरप्रसाद महोदय. सा का
अध्यापिका.
अध्यापिका और शिक्षिका.
शिक्षिका.
हाँ. कार्तिक महोदय.
सः मयूरः.
सः कः? सः मयूर. हाँ. एतत्
पुष्पम.
एतत् किं? तत् किं?
पुष्पम.
तत्
पुष्पम.
तत्
पुष्पम.
संतोष. एषा का?
एषा
गायिका.
एषा गायिका. निर्मल. निर्मल.
सः स्यूतः.
हाँ. सः कः? सः
स्यूतः.
हाँ. You must ask the question also. सः कः?
सः कः?
हाँ. सः स्यूतः. हाँ. एषा रीटा. रीटा. एषा
एषा धीवरः.
If you are Esha is Strilingam.
एषा नौका. एषा नौका.
Esha ka ya nauka. Padma. Saha kaha?
Yesha.
Yesha nauka, boat. But a person is standing here. Saha kaha?
Saha balakah.
Saha dhivaraha.
Dhivaraha. Saha dhivaraha.
Tat kim?
Tat kankanam.
Vindhya.
Kankanam.
Vindhya. Tat kim?
Kankanam.
You must ask the question also. Tat kim?
Tat kankanam.
Tat kankanam. Alagappan. Alagappan.
नमस्ते मैडम.
नमस्ते. सः कः?
सः चषकः.
सः चषकः.
Yeah.
Ganesh, in the glass there is water. How do you ask?
It is tat kim esha
no tat kim, so answer only for that water.
tat jalah
tat jalam tat kim tat jalam sah kah sah chashakah. Okay. हाँ माधवी सा
का सा पिपीलिका
हाँ अरुण महोदय हाँ चमसः यस सः कः सः चमसः हाँ मीनाक्षी एतत् किम्
एतत् जलम्
एतत्
जलम्
हीना एषः कः
एषः कः एषः वानरः
सुन्दरी
एषा कुञ्चिका
सा का
सः कुञ्चिका
न सा
सा का
सा
एषा कुञ्चिका
सा कुञ्चिका संदीप महोदय
सः कः सः आसन्दः
दीप्ति
सः कः
न एतत्
एतत् किं
तत्
पर्णं
Can we say about patram?
Yes.
And parnam?
Yes. Both you can say. Patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam. You have in Bhagavad Gita. So patram also is leaf only.
Okay.
Etat kim? Etat parnam or patram. अस्तु वा? हाँ सोनल सः कः
सः गजः
हाँ सः गजः हाँ वेदार्थम रमेश
सः कः सः कपोतः
हाँ निरंजन
तत् किम् एतत् फलं
तत् एतत् इज नियर बाय फॉर तत्
तत् फलं
फलं कल्पना
तत् किम्
कल्पना
तत् वनं
तत् वनं तत् किं तत् वनं एतत् किम् एतत् वनं अनुपमा
लेखनी
अनुपमा
एतत्
एषा एषा
लेखनी एषा लेखनी
yes who else is left out
प्रीति
मैम
हाँ,
सोनी
प्रीति हाँ
तत् किं तत् कन्दुकं
तत् कन्दुकम्
It is etat.
Me, Sukanya is left out. Sukanya left out.
Sukanya, हाँ
Etat,
Gayatri also.
हाँ
etat kim?
हाँ
Etat Doordarshan.
हाँ, this is computer, no? So Sanganakam.
Computer, okay.
Sanganakam.
Sanganam.
And it's a bit far. So you will say Tat, not it.
Okay.
Tat Sanganakam.
Tat Sanganakam.
एतत् शिला
हाँ
सः उपनेत्र
सः नास्ति तत्
एतत्
एतत् हाँ एतत् उपनेत्रम् हाँ
गायत्री
गायत्री हाँ
एषा का
हाँ
एषा कुपी
एषा कूपी
कुपी
हाँ who is left out?
Sonal.
Sonal.
Etat kim? Etat mandiram.
Etat mandiram. Sa. Anybody else left out? Those who are
Ankhani.
left out,
Ankhani.
Ankhani. Wait. Not everybody. Those who have not answered till now, they will answer.
जी नमस्ते जी मम नाम राजेन्द्रः सा अंकनी
सम्यक हाँ anybody else?
Yes.
सा अंकनी
Okay, so now let us have a look at the Samyukta we have not done, no?
Correct.
Okay, we will take up that.
I have a question.
Yes.
How do I build my vocabulary? Is it just
what you have to do is whatever things you see around you, try applying Sanskritam for that.
But how do I know the Sanskritam word, right?
Yes, you have to refer to online dictionaries.
Oh, okay.
And take the help of those who know Sanskritam. So that way you can build very fast.
Okay.
Okay.
I have got two words. Kalika means bud, is it?
Kalika, yes, bud.
Okay. And Chalani?
Chalani is Steve.
Okay. Dhanyawadaha.
Okay. Can you see this screen?
Yep.
Yes.
Now, this word Varta is there. How does this come? V, yogaha A, yogaha R, yogaha T, yogaha A. Varta. Okay. Now, one by one, you will read and go through this, how this works.
Okay.
Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Yeah. Amran. A.
Amram. Kartik Mahodaya. Just a minute. What is this? Amram ityukte kim?
Amram is mango.
Mango. Varta ityukte?
Varta is news.
News. Varta is news. Amram is mango.
Mango.
Kartik Mahoday. Jakkanaha. There was this sculptor, very famous, during Vijayanagara Empire.
Oh, Jakkanachari.
Yes, Jakkanachari. So how do you write Jakkanaha?
Here, yojanam a, yojanam ka, yojanam ka, yojanam a, yojanam n, yojanam a.
And Visarga is also.
Visargam yoji.
Visargam also, you should not forget about this. It is very, very important.
What's the Jakkanam mean?
That I don't know. But
name, right?
It's a name. But there might be some meaning. That meaning I don't know right now. Let me find out.
Mahoday, can you please have everyone else mute?
Yes, everybody.
Not hear properly.
Everybody, please mute. I'll call your name, then you can answer. Gayatri Mahoday. Gayatri Mahoday.
Sorry. Rajanam ta, Rajanam a ta, rakta.
Rakta, raktam.
Rakta. Rakta.
Rakta. Actually, I have not added anything there. So, rakta.
What's the meaning?
Blood.
Blood.
Or rakta varnam, red color.
Thank you.
Next, Santosh. Santosh?
K plus Y plus A
Aikya.
Aikya.
I, no? This you have learned. Aikya. Next is Nirmal.
Aikya means same as Aikya. Okay.
What does Aikya mean? Sorry.
Aikya is getting close.
Unity?
Yes.
Together.
Uniting.
Together or unity? Like oneness, bringing one together.
Yes.
In Rakta, where is the R? You said Rakta. So it's Ka, Ta, Ka. So R is not there.
This
no?
left out. Oh, it's a typing error. Okay. Rakta. R yogaha. A. Ra yogaha. K yogaha. T yogaha. A. Rakta.
And the same thing is Aikya.
Here also, yes. I was planning for something else, so it changed and I forgot about it. Thank you for noticing.
The next two are also like that.
Yes. No. Actually, this conjunct consonants I concentrated. So I didn't type the entire thing. Only pak va here, ka and va, they are together.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Ka and ra are together. Chakra. See, till then, I think remaining things I have typed the entire word.
Yeah, only 4 words you left.
Yes, these things I was in a hurry, so I only typed whatever was there.
Okay.
Whose turn is this? Nirmal, na?
Yeah. Pa, yoga a, yoga ka, yoga va, yoga a, pakwa.
Pakwa. So, pa, a, k, v, a. Pakwa.
What is pakwa?
Ripe.
Somebody?
Ripe.
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 Pakva phalam. Ripened fruit. Next is Rita.
Cha, yoga ka, yoga ra, yoga a.
When you are saying cha, yoga a should come. Cha yoga a, yoga ka, yoga r, yoga
chakra.
Chakra. What is chakra?
Wheel.
Wheel. Everybody knows. Okay. Next, Padma.
Yogaha da, yogaha a, yogaha ra, yogaha ma, dharma.
Here also I should have typed m and a.
Ma plus a. Right. Yeah.
See?
Dharma.
Yeah,
So,
all is missing there.
So I'll correct these mistakes and then, okay. Next is
Ma'am, is chakra wheel or chakra just a circle? Any circle?
Chakra, Vartulaha is circle.
Vartula?
Chakra is wheel usually.
Wheel. Vartula is circle. Vartula.
Yeah.
Now, who is next?
But in chakra vyuham, chakra is circle, right?
Circle, maybe they are both used.
Chakravyuha is chakra only.
It's chakra.
It's a wheel. It's a wheel. It's not circle. It's wheel.
Okay.
Next is Vindhya.
Yogaha u, yogaha r, yogaha ya, yogaha a, surya.
Surya. Surya is sun. That everybody knows.
Bhagini, what do you call the stroke underneath the word? Is it halanta?
Yes, it is halanta. Okay. Next, Alagappan.
Yeah. Panguhu.
No.
Yoga.
Chandra.
Is it Chandra? Okay.
Yeah, that is the word.
क्षमा कीजिए. Chandra. च योग है, a योग है, न योग है, द योग है, र योग है, a Chandra.
Chandra. Next, Ganesh.
Mahoday,
Pangu.
one doubt.
Sorry, please,
saying-
Gayatri Mahoday.
1 minute, one doubt I have. That cha yoga, you are saying, right? It is, will you say ich or cha yoga?
Ich you should not say. You should say ch.
That's what. If you say cha, it will become different, right?
Yes. Cha. If you say cha, it is both the swaram and the vyanjana.
Okay, thank you.
Pangu.
Pa,
yoga a, ga, yoga ga, yoga u, pangu.
I have added a visarga also there. You should not forget.
Aha.
Yeah.
Visarga. Yoga visarga.
Panguhu. Panguhu ityukte?
Pangum.
Handicap.
Pangum is a lame man.
Handicap.
Yes.
Pangum Langayate Girim.
Yes, yes. Pangum Langhayate
Girim.
So that person who doesn't have legs. Pangu.
Helpless. Helpless.
Don't say
No.
helpless. Pangu
Handicap.
he doesn't have leg. That's all.
Okay, okay.
Next, Madhavi.
Chaitra. Chaitra. Cha yogaha I yogaha ta yogaha ra yogaha a.
See, when you are saying ch, it should be without the swaram. Ch.
Ch.
Okay.
Yogaha I yogaha ta yogaha ra yogaha a. Chaitra.
Chaitra. Chaitra, that Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana. They are the months. Next. Arun Mahodaya.
Yoga. Yoga na yoga a yoga a yoga na yoga a chintana.
Chintana. Astu. Next, Meenakshi.
Sorry, one doubt. Should it be Chintana or Chintan?
Chintana. Chintanam actually, but I left out the last part.
Okay, but in Sanskrit, it always like Chaitra. It's not Chaitra.
No, you have to tell the entire word, entire letter, you have to utter.
So Chaitra.
If you say Chaitra, then this halant would come. This stroke is there, no? That will come here.
Okay.
That won't be a complete word.
Thank you.
Next.
Yoga Ri, Yoga Sh, Yoga Na, Yoga A, Yoga Visarga. Krishna.
Krishna. K, R, Sh, N, A.
Krishna.
Krishna.
One doubt here. Sometimes we are mentioning aha and sometimes a plus visarga. Why this is the difference? If you see Krishna and Ishvara.
No.
It is the same.
Yeah, it is the same. I was in a hurry, so
no, absolutely.
Notice these mistakes. I'll correct this.
No. See, it is for importance for us to also understand.
Yes, it's very good. You ask so that everybody, those who others may also have doubts in this, no? So their doubts will also be cleared. Actually, Visarga, why I typed separately? Because it goes with any aksharam. Like if you type it with ka, then it becomes kaha. If you type it with ma, it becomes maha. Okay. As such, it doesn't have it's not a rule that it goes with a only. Here also, see, Ishvaraha is there. So, here it is going along with Raha. Okay?
Mahodaya, ekam prashnam puchhami. You say, okay, Raha. It is, and A is at the end.
Huh?
Any of this will have an A.
Yes, it will have. Yeah. But why I am say let me tell you. It is like how how will I tell you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
here, 1 minute, ma'am. Pangalu.
Panguhu.
Panguhu.
Visarga.
There it is coming with U.
Yes.
It's not coming with A only.
Yes. That's what
Panguhu.
See here, in Dan, Brahma, okay. Pishtaha is some floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here also it comes with along with shata. Both are there. Along with them also it comes pishtaha.
Correct.
So, that's why.
No, what I'm saying is the last word can be any of the simple swara. Any, it may be A, it may be U, it may be he.
See, it is here raha, r plus a plus visargaha va, athava raha is r plus ahava. That is the question.
Now, where are you looking, ma'am? I can't see.
Brahma. See. Okay. Here only. Here in this Krishna itself. See, the question is Ishvaraha we will take.
Okay.
R plus A plus Visarga. Is that so? Or is it R plus Aha? That is the question. Isn't it?
There is no Ru in Ishvara.
Ishvaraha.
And you are okay, not Ru. Oh, okay.
You asked here only, no?
Oh, correct. That's correct. Yeah.
So it is, you have to note that aha is not akaraha and visargaha. Okay. This visarga is shown along with akara for the convenience of reading.
Right.
Clear?
I have a question. Like how we decide whether visarg aati hai ki nahi? Like how you decide, like sometime there is visarga, sometime we don't put it.
Yes. It depends on whether that word belongs to Pullinga or Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. It is decided by the grammarians like Panini Rishi and Panini, Patanjali and Vararuchi. They have done a lot of work in the development of the Sanskrit grammar.
Then Visarga comes only on Pullinga?
That's not so. Preetihi. Now Preetihi is there. Preetihi word. There also you have Visarga. Rajjuhu. Rajjuhu is a rope. There also you have a Visarga.
Yuvatihi.
So like that, it depends. As you progress in your learning, gradually you will be able to identify whether this is Pullinga, whether this is Strilinga, or whether this is Napumsakalinga.
Now one more doubt.
Bhagini, can I? Aham ekam prashnam puchami. Okay. Ishvaraha. Ishvaraha. It is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. If you take the Pratipadikam, it is Ishvara. So, when you say Ishvaraha, you are adding a visarga at the end of A. It can be Ishvara or Ishvaraha.
See, this Pratipadikam is not a complete word. It goes through some process and then becomes Ishvaraha. Ishvaraha, Krishnaha, whatever word you want to use properly, that undergoes some grammatical changes. Okay. Then only it is usable according to your need.
Agni, ek prashna. In slokas, in some places we have the visarga, but we don't use it as a visarga. The following letter we say is sarga, like that. How to understand that?
See, right now what you have to do is you go through whatever you are getting as your assignments and understand what it is. Gradually, all these things will be introduced. Okay, there are this visarga also takes so many changes. There are some 6 or 8 changes happening with visarga. Sometimes it becomes O, sometimes it becomes S, sometimes it becomes R, like that. So there are rules for that. You cannot, wherever you want, you cannot change it like that. Okay?
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
So shall we go further?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Some of us have not had a turn.
Yes, that's why.
Yeah.
Whose turn is it now? Ganesh Mahodaya, yours was over, I think. No?
Yeah, I have done.
Madhavi?
I'm also done.
Okay. Arun Mahodaya.
Finished. Can I go ahead, ma'am?
Yes.
It's we stopped at Anguli.
No. We
Danda,
stopped at
Danda.
Ishvara.
Ishvara. Then
Dandaha.
Okay. The yoga.
You should say
the yoga. Yoga. Na yoga. The yoga.
Plus there is a visarga here, that also.
Plus visarga.
Plus the yoga. Dandaha.
What is dandaha?
Punishment. Punishment.
Dandaha is punishment, or it can be stick also.
Dandapani.
Dandapani. Dandapani is Yamadharmaraja.
It's also Subramanya.
Okay. Astu. Meenakshi?
Yeah. A plus R plus G U L I. Unguli.
Anguli.
Anguli.
G
U L I.
Anguli. What is Anguli?
Anguli. Finger.
You know everything. Very good. Meena.
Karna.
Ka. Yogaha A. Yogaha Ra. Yogaha Na. Yogaha A. Yogaha Visarga. Karnaha.
Karnaha. Sundari?
B. Yogaha R. Yogaha A. Yogaha M. Yogaha A.
Brahma. What is Brahma?
Confusion.
And there is Next word is very similar to Brahma.
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 Sandeep.
Can I ask you one thing? Sorry, this is Ami here. Can Brahma mean delusion instead of confusion?
Yes, that is also there.
Illusion.
Actually, it is illusion. Illusion is also there. Confusion also.
Brahma means to roam also. To roam around.
See, so you people know so much. Very good. I have very little work to do now. Excellent, excellent. Now Sandeep Mahoday. Next word.
Yoga R, yoga A, yoga H, yoga M, yoga A. Brahma.
Brahma. See what? How different it is. Brahma. Brahma. So you should utter properly. Okay, it's very important. Next, Deepthi.
Yogah A, yogah R, yogah Ch, yogah A. Church.
Charcha. What is charcha? Discussion. Sonal.
Yogah I, yogah Sh, yogah T, yogah A, Pishta.
See here.
Pishta.
P, Sh, T. Because that stroke is there. You should pay attention to that stroke. Okay. It's not a complete letter. Okay.
What is the meaning? Pishta meaning?
Pishtaha is floor. Like rice flour, wheat flour, all those things. Pishta. Yes, Anupama has some question.
Pishtaha.
That was the question I had. What was Pishtaha?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Vedartham Ramesh.
Nashtaha. N plus A plus Sh plus T plus R. Nashta.
Loss. Next, Niranjan.
Anga. A. Yoga. N. Yoga. Ga. Yoga. A. Anga.
Here, ng, kakha, gagha, ng, that fifth letter of Kavarga. Here, that stroke is there. So, ng, g. It should be uttered properly. That
how to pronounce Halant word? How to pronounce Halant word?
Like this only. G, g. Like this. Next, Kalpana.
Correct.
Kalpana.
Yogah U, yogah S, yogah T, yogah A, yogah P, yogah Am, pustakam.
Next is Anupama.
Dwaram. The yogah Va, yogah A, yogah R, yogah Am. Dwaram.
Here, D, V, R, like that it should become.
The.
If you say the, V, it will be a complete letter.
The yogah Va, A, R, Am.
Okay. Next is Preeti.
Nartakaha. N. Yogah A, yogah R, yogah T, yogah A, Yogah k. Yogah anuswara. Visarga. Visarga.
Visarga.
Nartakaha.
Nartakaha. Next. Sukanya.
Yes. Yogah ng. Yogah k. Yogah a. Yogah na. Yogah I is Ankani.
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 E is there.
E, yes.
Ankani. Next is Sheila.
Sa plus a plus anga plus ka plus a plus ana plus a plus ka plus sankanam.
Sanganakam. Here I have done one thing. If you have observed. Here till now, till Dwaram we have put a dot on the letter. Dwaram, Pustakam, like that. Here I have typed M. Sanganakam. What is the difference between this and this?
Dot is not there.
It is the end of a either the following word will be a swara.
See, just to show you that it is written this way also. Yeah. Okay, Pustakam also can be written as written like this. Pustakam. After ka, if you add this m, that is also correct. For Dwaram also.
What's the meaning, ma'am?
Sanganakam is computer. Okay. Next, Rajendra. Rajendra. It's not there. Ami. Ami?
Yes. Gruham. Gru. Ha. Gruham.
Ha. If you say ha, it's a complete letter. So here now you have to say h. Gru. Gruham. Gruham. Here also you can write like this. This m you can add here instead of dot. You should not add both dot and m. You should be alert. Okay. Then who else is left out?
Ma'am.
Divya.
Ha. Yogah a. Yogah s. Yogah th. Yogah a. Yogah visarga. Astaha.
Hastaha. What is hastaha?
Hand.
Hand.
Karaha.
Anybody else left out?
Aarti, ma'am.
Aarti.
Kurmaha. K. Yogaha. U. Yogaha. R. Ogaha. Ma. Yogaha. A. M. Okay. M. Yogaha. A. Yogaha. Visarga. Kurmaha.
Kurmaha. What is kurmaha?
Fish.
Yes.
Tortoise.
Tortoise.
Okay. I need not work anything. I'll simply put some words and all of you will tell me what they are. That's very easy. From next class onwards, we will do like that. Yes. Who is next? Anybody left out? Okay. So this is the way we do Samyukta Aksharas. Okay. So do you have any doubts in uploading your homeworks? Would you like?
Yes, I do. I don't know how to upload the homework.
Yes, some of your friends have done a very good job. So they will explain how they did it once again here, so that everybody is benefited. Preeti Mahoday, you are the one who did that. Can you explain once again?
Using the desktop.
Using the desktop, I have made a video, Mahoday.
I saw it once, but next time I went, I couldn't find where it was, where it went.
It is in the Google Classroom. It's I will just show you now itself. So
first of all, how do you go to Google Classroom?
Google Classroom from the laptop. If you're going to go, you just type Google Classroom in your search engine.
Yeah. No, I think he has to type this. Go to Google Drive, no, first.
No need, Mahoday. You can just type Google Classroom in the search and it will come up.
Okay.
So, 1 minute. See, they have sent a mail for us from our class. So if we go to that, it takes us to the link for classroom. We don't need to download the app also.
Okay.
I'm thoroughly confused.
The mail is there. No, the mail is there. In the mail, they are given the classroom. If you click that, it will take us to the classroom directly in the laptop. I did it in the laptop only. It's Windows 10. So you can just go to the mail. See, they have got the mail from them, right? The homework assignment.
Yes, I do.
So in that, if you click, it will take us to the classroom.
Okay.
So once you have scanned it and saved it to the Google Drive. Have you saved it to the Google Drive? Your document?
No, I have not done. I have it in paper right now in front of me.
Yes. So in your mobile, what you do, you can download a Cam Scanner or Microsoft Lens. You can download it and scan it and do that as a PDF file. It will save it. Save that to the Google Drive.
Or you can just take a picture.
And the picture itself will be converted into, see, picture, again, it will be in JPG. Sometimes it will be difficult. So if you use that Microsoft or Cam Scanner, it will be saved as a PDF file itself.
I tried clicking the picture and sending it, but the quality was not clear.
That's why I'm saying, if you scan and send it as a PDF, it will be better.
Okay.
So if you save it in the Google Drive, so automatically in your laptop also you can load from the drive itself. So it will be easier for you.
Which time we have to do?
Mahodaya, you do one thing. You after this class is over, you you take the help of Gayatri Mahodaya and try to upload it.
Okay.
That would be better, no?
Okay.
Anybody else having any difficulty?
Can it be just done without a cell phone directly into the desktop?
Yes, I did it without that. In fact, of course, I used a camera, but even without a camera, it can be done. If you have a computer camera itself, if the quality of your computer camera is good, you can click the photograph.
Can we talk after the class?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Yes. Now I would like you people to revise once again. Bhavataha nama kim, bhavata bhavatyaha nama kim, bhavataha matrubhasha, so that you won't forget. So first I would like 5 people, Haraprasad Mahodaya, Karthik Mahodaya, Gayatri, Santosh, Nirmal, you 5 people.
Okay.
Ask each other.
Okay. This is for Gayatri Mahodaya. Mahodaya, Bhavatyaha nama kim.
मम नाम गायत्री सुंदरी महोदये भवत्याः नाम किं?
No, you stick to your group. I told you, I told 5 names.
What's the 5 other name, ma'am?
Haraprasad Mahodaya is there, Kartik Mahodaya is there, then Santosh, Nirmal.
Kartik Mahoday, भवतः नाम किं? भवतः नाम किं?
धन्यवादः गायत्री महोदय। मम नाम कार्तिकः। इदानीं पृच्छामि प्रश्नः। सन्तोषमिषा का? श्रूयते वा?
But very.
It was.
अस्तु। एकवारं पुनः वदामि। धन्यवादः गायत्री महोदये। मम नाम कार्तिकः। संतोष महोदय अहं पृच्छामि। संतोष महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा हिंदी।
Mama, you say completely. Mama मातृभाषा.
मम मातृभाषा हिंदी।
Ask Nirmal.
Okay. निर्मल महोदय भवतः नाम किम?
संतोष महोदय धन्यवाद। मम नाम निर्मल।
मातृभाषा nobody asked.
One asked.
हरप्रसाद महोदय भवतः मातृभाषा किम?
का मातृभाषा का?
महोदय मम मातृभाषा कन्नड।
अस्तु इदानीं रीटा पद्मा विंध्या अळगप्पन् गणेश। रीटा
मम मातृभाषा हिंदी। पद्मा महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा तमिळ। गणेश महोदय भवतः नाम किम?
मम नाम गणेशः। किं पृच्छामि?
मातृभाषा अळगप्पन् और विंध्या।
अनगप्पन महोदय भवता मातृभाषा का?
धन्यवादः गणेश महोदय। मम मातृभाषा तमिळ। विंध्या महोदय मम मातृभाषा भवत्याः मातृभाषा का? विंध्या महोदय।
India. I think her net is not working. Astu. Now Madhavi, Arun, Meenakshi, Hina, Sundari.
Sundari Mahodaya, भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
धन्यवादः महोदय। मम मातृभाषा तमिळ। माधवी महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा तेलुगु। अरुण महोदय भवतः नाम किम्?
मम नाम अरुणः।
Hina.
Arun Mahoday, right? Arun Mahoday, Bhavata Nama Kim? Sorry. Mama Nama Hina. Arun Mahoday, Bhavata Nama Kim? Bhavata Matrubhasha Ka?
महोदय मम मातृभाषा तमिळ।
Sundari Mahodaya, did you answer?
Mama Matrubhasha Tamil. Arun Mahodaya. Bhavataha Matrubhasha Ka.
Okay. Astu. Now Sandeep, Deepti, Sonal, Vedartham Ramesh, Niranjan. You 5 people.
वेदार्थम महोदय भवतः नाम किम?
धन्यवाद संदीप महोदय। मम नाम वेदार्थम रमेश। सोनल महोदय भवत्याः नाम किम्?
Mama Nama Sonal. Ma'am, whom do I ask? I missed out on the name.
Deepti is there. Then Niranjan
okay.
is there.
Niranjan, okay. Deepti Mahoday, Bhavatyaha Matrabhasha Ka?
Namaste. Mama Matrabhasha Kannada. I'm asking Sonal. Bhavatya Nama Kim? Bhavatya Matrabhasha Ka?
Bhavatyaha.
Bhavatyaha Matrabhasha Ka?
Mama Nama Sonal. Mama Matrabhasha Hindi.
Ask Niranjan.
Niranjan Mahodaya. Bhavataha Nama Kim?
Mama Nama Niranjan.
Niranjanaha.
Niranjanaha.
Bhavataha Matrabhasha Ka?
Mama Matrabhasha Telugu.
Astu. Next.
After every name we have to put Visarg, Kartikaha, Niranjanaha.
Yes.
Every name we have to put Visarg. Okay.
Male.
Thanks.
Male.
For Pullinga Shabda.
Okay. Only for Pulling.
Now Kalpana, Anupama, Preeti, Sukanya, Gayatri.
Mama Nama Kalpana Preeti Mahoday Bhavatyaha Matrabhasha Ka?
Mama Matrabhasha Tamil. Gayatri Mahoday Bhavatyaha Nama Kim?
Mama Nama Gayatri. Arun Mahoday is there. Is he there in our group?
No. Sukanya, Preeti, Anupama, Kalpana.
Anupama? Bhavatyaha Matrubhasha Kim Ka?
Mama Matrubhasha Telugu. Bhavatyaha Matrubhasha Ka? Sukanya Mahoday. Please unmute, I can't hear you.
Sorry. Mama Matrabhasha Malayalam. Bhavatyaha Bhasha Matrabhasha Ka Kalpana Mahoday.
Mama Matribhasha Tamil. भवत्याः नाम किं? I think we have finished it.
Okay. Next is Sheila, Sonal, Rajendra, Ami, Aarti.
भवत्याः नाम किं? सोनल.
मम नाम सोनल. अमी महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
धन्यवाद सोनल भवत्याः. मम मातृभाषा कच्छी. महोदय मातृभाषा का?
भवतः or भवत्याः?
Sorry?
If you are asking some male,
I'm asking male. Bhavatah.
Otherwise, if it is a female, you will say bhavatyah.
Okay. Bhavatah matrabhasha ka.
Namaste. Mama nama Rajendraha. Mama matrabhasa Telugu.
Samyak. Aarti Mahodayam pruchatu.
मम नाम आरती. सोनल महोदये भवत्याः नाम किम्?
मम नाम सोनल. Is there anyone left? I have to ask.
Yes, it's better. Those who are left out, please. Divya, did you answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ask question.
Divya, okay. दिव्या महोदये भवत्याः नाम किम्?
मम नाम दिव्या.
Okay. Now, by next class, I would expect all of you to learn this bhavatah nama kim, bhavatyah nama kim, bhavatah matrabhasha, everything well, so that we can move to the next sentence. Otherwise, we will be stuck here. We'll be repeating the same old things again and again. Okay? Practice.
Yeah.
There is a full week for you to practice. Please practice well along with your family members so that we can learn some more sentences in the next class.
Can I ask a couple of questions, please?
Yes.
One is nama. Is it a Napumsakalinga word?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. And what is the meaning of what is the Sanskrit word for batch?
Gana.
Morning batch. Huh?
Gana.
Gana. Okay. Pakshaha, is it correct? Pakshaha?
Paksha, no. Gana. No. Batch is Gana.
Okay. Very good. And what
is part, right? Paksha is part. Am I right?
I don't know. There are many meanings. Okay. Like wing of a bird.
Okay.
That also is called paksha. That's why it is called pakshi.
Oh, okay, got it. What is Samadarvi? Samadarvi.
Darvi is ladle. This Samadarvi, I don't know.
Oh, it was in the class notes.
The Darvi used to make dosha is called Samadarvi.
Oh.
The Darvi which is used to Bada and all is called Randra Darvi.
Randra Darvi, okay.
Oh, got it. Very good. And what is Avadheyam?
Avadheyam is to understand.
Understand? Huh?
Yes.
Understand. Okay. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Okay. Astu. Shall we wind up?
Yeah.
Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaah, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
अस्तु, धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः भगिनी।
अग्रिमसप्ताहे
धन्यवादः।
मिलामः।